it's teacher Victor, and this is our cooking class. And today we are making one of my favorite snacks ever, which is hamburgers. Do you like hamburgers? Yes? So, I'm gonna teach you how to make it at home with your family. Let's have a lot of fun and cook. Here we go. Alright, now it's time to check the materials and the ingredients we are going to need, okay? A frying pan, a cutting board. Now, the ingredient. Bread, grounded beef, lettuce, tomato, and onions, 2 slices of bacon, some slices of cheese, mayonnaise, and ketchup. Now, let's make our hamburgers. Here we go. Okay, now call your mom and dad to help you, okay? You have to take the grounded beef and make a ball like this. If you think it's too small, add a little bit more. Let's do it. Look. We have our ball. Now you put it on the cutting board and smash it a little bit. If you don't want to put here, you can use your hand, like this. Remember, our burgers, they have the shape. They are circle. It's not rectangle, it's not triangle, it's circle. Okay? And that's the raw burger. Now, let's use the pan to fry it. Let's go? So we have here a pan, the bacon. You're going to fry them here. Call your mom and dad to do that for you, okay? After some minutes, the bacon will be like this. Beautiful, right? Then you have to put it back on the bowl. And you let it there. Now you put a little bit of oil and put the burger. Add some salt on it and wait. Okay guys, 5 minutes later, let's turn the burger. Be careful. And now you add the cheese. I love cheese. And add bacon. And just wait. Alright guys, now let's make our hamburger. We have all the ingredients here. The bread, mayonnaise, ketchup, lettuce, tomatoes, and onions. Let's do it. Open the bread, and here you put your burger in here. Then you put mayonnaise and ketchup. If you don't like them, don't put. There is no problem. Put it on the bread, okay? Like this. Mayonnaise and ketchup. What do you prefer, ketchup or mayonnaise? I like both. Now you put tomato, onion, and lettuce. This lettuce is really big, look. Lettuce, a slice of tomato, and a slice of onion. Again, if you don't like any of these ingredients, there's no problem. And you close. And that's our hamburger. Now is the best part. Let's try it. Now, let's cut it and try it. Look! Let's try it. Wow, this burger was amazing. Now it's time to say goodbye. Bye bye. See you next class.